Welcome to Birmingham, a city known for its rich industrial history and vibrant cultural scene. Today, we are diving into one of its modern landmarks, the Bullring shopping mall, and exploring its significant economic impact on job creation and GDP growth. So, why the Bullring shopping mall? Good question. You see, the Bullring is not just a shopping destination, it is a vital economic engine for Birmingham and the wider West Midlands region. Welcome to Investment Analysis. Here, we explore all investment opportunities in our global village. So, grab a cup, of course, I mean a cup of tea. Subscribe and join the conversation. Thank you. Meanwhile, before I continue, let me share the origins of the Birmingham Bullring shopping mall. The Bullring in Birmingham has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages. Originally, it was a market area known as corn shipping, where a corn market was held. The name quote-unquote Bullring comes from bull baiting, where bulls were tied to a ring for baiting before slaughter. The first shopping center in Bullring area was built in the 1960s. However, the current Bullring, styled as one word, was opened in 2003. This modern development was designed by the international design studio Benoy and features two main buildings connected by an underground passage. The Bullring is now one of the UK's largest city centre-based shopping centres, attracting millions yearly visitors. It is located in the heart of Birmingham and is one of the largest shopping centres in the UK. And please pay attention to this unique and peculiar aspect of the Bullring. The Bullring design is characterized by its bold and modern architecture. With a glass roof and open-air atrium, the mall has been praised for its innovative approach to urban regeneration and has contributed significantly to the revitalization of Birmingham city centre. To begin with, the mall boasts over 160 shops, including flagship stores such as the Selfridges, along with a diverse range of dining and entertainment options. You see, to highlight for you, the mall boasts a diverse range of high street and luxurious brands, catering to various tastes and budgets. Dining, from casual eateries to fine dining restaurants. Something suits every palate. Entertainment. The Bullring is home to Toka Social, a unique social gaming venue offering football-based activities, arcade games, and a vibrant atmosphere. We have Lane 7, a bowling alley with arcade games, karaoke, and a bar. Sandbox VR, a virtual reality experience offering immersive games and adventures. Treetop Adventure Golf, a fun and a challenging mini golf course with a jungle theme. Events. The Bullring often hosts special events such as fashion shows, live music performance, and seasonal celebration. Whether you are looking for a shopping spree, a night out with friends, or family-friendly activity, the Bullring has something to offer. Now, moving on, let us examine the economic impact of Birmingham Bullring shopping mall, focusing on job creation and GDP growth. Job creation. One of the most significant contributions of the Bullring to Birmingham's economic is job creation. According to a report by Hermansen, the Bullring, along with the Grand Central, which is the Central Station, and Link Street, support over 4,300 full-time jobs. These jobs span various sectors, including retail, hospitality, and maintenance. Local employment. You see, over 85% of these jobs are held by residents, with a significant portion of the employees being under 25 years old. This has provided valuable employment opportunities for young people and has helped reduce local unemployment rates. Training and development. Bullring also invests in the training and development of its workforce, contributing approximately £4 million annually to employee training programs. This investment not only enhances the skills of the workforce but also improves job satisfaction and retention rate. Then we have direct contributions. The mall generates substantial revenue through retail sales, dining, and entertainment. This revenue contributes directly to the city GDP, supporting local businesses and suppliers. Then we have the indirect investment. The presence of the Bullring has attracted over 362 million in indirect investment to the local economic each year. This includes investment in infrastructure, real estate, and other commercial ventures, further stimulating economic growth. Now, take a sip of your tea. Take a sip, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. Thank you. Let me give you a break. Okay, now we're back. Let's take a closer look at the Bullring shopping mall's contribution to the Birmingham GDP growth. And this is going to be supported by key figures. Now, the Bullring attracts more than 362 million, as I mentioned, of indirect investment to the local economy. It supports 4,322 full-time jobs, 4,322 full-time jobs, with local people accounting for 45% of this job. Wage payment total £88 million per year, with income tax payment amounting to more than 12 million annually. Wow. Business rate generated by the Bullring estate, more or less Bullring Mall, exceed £22 million per year. Wow, this is very impressive. In terms of overall economic growth, the GDP of Birmingham and the West Midlands metropolitan county grew by approximately 3.2% in 2022. The GDP per capita in Birmingham in 2022 was around 27,278 compared to 26,822 in the previous years. Above all, let us look at the trust contribution. You see, the Bullring contributes significantly to the public finance through taxes, which I've mentioned before. It generates around £12 million annually in income tax and 22 million businesses rate. Wow. These funds are essential for local government services and infrastructure development. Wow, I say this very impressive figure. That said, I'm convinced you agree with me that these figures highlight Bullring's crucial role in driving economic and growth. Okay, now let us examine other indices. Broader economic benefit. Tourism. The Bullring attracts millions of visitors annually, many of whom are tourists. This influx of visitors boosts the local hospitality industry, including hotels, restaurants, hostels, Airbnb, and transport services. Urban regeneration. The development of the Bullring has been a catalyst for urban regeneration in Birmingham. It has transformed the city center, making it more attractive for businesses and residents alike. This regeneration has led to increased property values and further investment in the area. And regarding the sustainability initiative at the Bullring, well, you see, energy efficiencies. The Bullring has invested in an energy efficient lighting and heating system. This includes the use of LED lighting throughout the mall, which significantly reduces energy consumption, waste management, and water conservation. I could go on and on and on. Okay, have you been to Birmingham? When you next visit, be sure to check out the Bullring, indulge in some shopping, and contribute to the local economy. In my opinion, the Bullring shopping mall is a cornerstone of Birmingham's economy. Its contribution to job creation and GDP growth are substantial, providing employment opportunities, attracting investment, and supporting local businesses. And now for the best part. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Our mission is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Thank you. Bye now.